Welcome. Take a deep breath. Today, we're gently mastering natural collocations for the word acknowledge.
Brought to you by ACR Idiomas. Let's settle in and explore this essential vocabulary together, step by step.
Here's our general roadmap. We'll move from the verb right through to real-world application.
We'll break down this exact dictionary entry, carefully noticing how this word naturally pairs with others.
At its quiet core, the verb acknowledge simply means to accept, admit, or recognize the truth.
Notice the contrast. We can acknowledge things freely and readily, or we can do it grudgingly and reluctantly.
We might do this openly and publicly for all to hear, or keep it private and tacit.
In highly formal settings, you'll often hear adverbs like officially or duly paired with our verb.
Take a slow breath. What kind of language do we use when someone resists recognizing the truth?
People might fail to, refuse to, or ultimately be forced to acknowledge a difficult reality.
Let's pause and gently shift our focus from the action over to the noun form acknowledgement.
See how these adjectives help? An acknowledgement can be brief, totally explicit, or completely tacit and unspoken.
An action can actually amount to an acknowledgement, or a person might just get or receive one.
It isn't always spoken out loud. It can be a simple physical grunt, nod, or wait.
We use the phrase in acknowledgement of to quietly demonstrate exactly why a specific action occurred.
Finally, let's bring all these collocations together by looking at a highly famous cultural example.
A truth universally acknowledged. So why universal truths are you ready to openly acknowledge today?